Lowell's Boat Shop was built and established in the year 1793. It is located on the Merrimack River in Amesbury, Massachusetts. Lowell's Boat Shop plays a crucial role in history because it is the oldest boat-making shop in the United States that is still operating today. Lowell's Boat Shop is known for creating some of the most well-designed boats ever built. The round-sided surf dory, often referred to as the Swampscott-type dory, was developed from the original dory designed by Simon Lowell in 1793. The surf dory, preferred by fishermen for their seaworthiness in even the roughest waters, are noted for their rounded bilges, which give them extra buoyancy amidships and take them up and over the waves and onto the beach. As a result of this design, 2 stations of the U.S. Life-Saving Service, forerunner of the Coast Guard, used these dories as surf boats for almost 100 years. The Amesbury rowing skiff is very similar to the original Amesbury skiffs developed at Lowell's Boat Shop in the 1860s. The skiff, usually 13 to 17 feet long, with relatively low depth and narrow beam, are exceptionally comfortable and easy to row in either calm or rougher waters. These types of boats are very popular with lodges, rowing clubs, and Boy and Girl Scout camps across the country. Many individuals who are rowing and boating enthusiasts look to Lowell's each year to purchase these popular wooden skiffs for their ease as recreational rowing boats. John Gardner said that these Amesbury skiffs were the best small rowboats ever built for everyday use around the waterfront, and nothing that has occurred since then has caused him to change his judgment. The Banks dory was developed in the early 19th century to meet the demands of Banks fishermen for a sturdy, seaworthy, and economical boat for handlining from the mothership. One requirement is that the vessels take up a minimum amount of space on the deck. For this reason, Banks dories are constructed allowing them to be stacked inside each other. They also have an exceptional ability to carry heavy loads and gain stability. Their success was quickly recognized among the fishing community, and since their inception, Lowell's has built and shipped nearly 250,000 to fishermen in all parts of the world. This particular dory was originally built for the Coast Guard, which explains the orange color of the boat. This vessel has a well in the middle for an outboard motor, a feature not standard on all Banks dories. This boat, dating all the way back to the 1700s, is the oldest one in the shop. A family used this dory for muskrat hunting. Lowell's Boat Shop was run by 7 generations of the Lowell family. Simon Lowell designed the famous surf dory. Simon's grandson Hiram created the Banks dory to meet the needs of the fishermen. Hiram and his children, Frederick E. and Frederick A., brought the dory business to its peak, and in the zenith year of 1911, they manufactured 2,029 boats. Because of this, Lowell's Boat Shop was considered the preeminent dory manufacturer locally, nationally, and internationally. The last generation of the Lowell family to run the business was Ralph Lowell. He sold the shop to the Odell family in 1976. Malcolm Odell made new boat models for rowing, racing, and motoring. He revived the industry and started boat restoration and formal boat classes at the shop. After the decline of the wooden boat business in the early 1990s, Malcolm sought national historic recognition and got the shop to be preserved, protected, and sold it to the Newburyport Maritime Society. Today, Lowell's Boat Shop is still manufacturing boats. A man hired Lowell's Boat Shop to build this boat for his sister as a wedding gift. Now, Lowell's has a repair shop where people can bring their boats into to be fixed. The owners of the shop teach classes to young adults about boating and manufacturing. While still being a boat shop, it is now also considered a museum. Thanks to the inventions of these dories and skiffs, people started to look at boating as a relaxing thing for the first time ever, instead of boating for work.